Good morning, all of you. My name is Ravanti. I am working as a guest lecturer in chemistry from TTRRDC Human Asifabad. Today, we are going to learn about an important class of organic compounds which are called as alcohol. First, we are seeing the introduction. The introduction of the alcohols. Alcohols are a homologous series of organic compounds similar to alkanes and alkenes. Here, homo means same or similar. Here, these are having same functional group and similar chemical properties. Those compounds are called as homologous series of organic compounds, and these alcohols are similar to alkanes and alkenes. The alcohols are produced by replacing one hydrogen atom from a hydrocarbon by OH. Here, these alcohols are produced by replacing of hydrogen atom by OH. For example, if we are seeing the methane molecular formula is CH4. In this CH4, the carbon containing 4 hydrogen atoms. The 4 hydrogen atom, one hydrogen atom is replaced by OH groups to form a alcohol. The name of the alcohol is methanol. Here, methanol formation will be takes place. The general formula of alcohol is CN H2N plus 1 OH. N means integer. And the functional group of alcohol is hydroxyl or OH functional group. And the next one is classification. The classification of alcohols given below. The positions of the alcohol in the chain has a significant impact on the reactivity of the alcohol. Here, these alcohols classification will be takes place based on the positions of the alcohol. These alcohols are three types. One is primary, second one is secondary alcohol, third one is tertiary alcohol. First, we are seeing the primary alcohol. A primary alcohol is an alcohol in which the OH group is attached to a carbon which is bonded to one other carbon atom. For example, if we are seeing the CH3, CH2, OH, here the CH2 carbon is attached to CH3 carbon atom. Then the CH2 carbon atom is called primary carbon atom. This OH group is attached to a primary carbon atom. This alcohol is called primary alcohol. And the next one is secondary alcohol. A secondary alcohol is an alcohol in which the OH group is attached to a carbon which is bonded to two other carbon atoms. Here the central atom is carbon. This central carbon atom having 4 bonds, and the 2 bonds are methyl carbon atom bonds. One is hydrogen atom bond, another one is OH bond is present. In this carbon, central carbon atom is bind with the 2 methyl carbon atoms. This central carbon atom is called secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. This OH group is attached to a secondary carbon atom. This alcohol is called secondary alcohol. Here there is carbon atom which is bonded to 2 other carbon atoms, 2 methyl carbon. Here this carbon atom which is bonded to 2 methyl carbon atom. That's why this carbon atom is called secondary carbon atom. Secondary carbon atom. That's why this alcohol is named as secondary alcohol. The next one is a tertiary alcohol. A tertiary alcohol is an alcohol in which the OH group is attached to a carbon which is bonded to 3 other carbon atom. Here the central carbon atom is bonded to 3 methyl carbon atom. 3 methyl carbon atom. That's why this central carbon atom is called tertiary carbon atom. Tertiary carbon atom. This alcohol OH group is attached to a tertiary carbon atom. This alcohol is called tertiary alcohol. The next one is naming of alcohol. Naming of alcohol, normally the alcohols having 2 names. There is IUPAC name, another one is common name. IUPAC means the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Was given by name is called IUPAC name. First we are seeing the IUPAC system. In the IUPAC system, replace E of alkane name with ol. Here in this IUPAC system, replace E of alkane name with ol. Here we are taking the alkane. The alkane E is replaced by ol. The name is called IUPAC name. The common name that are common names use the name of the alkyl. Alkyl group is followed by alcohol. Here the common names, the alkyl group is followed by alcohol. For example, if we are seeing CH3 molecular formula CH4, name is methane. In this methane, the 4 hydrogen atoms are present. These 4 hydrogen atoms, one hydrogen atom is replaced by OH groups to form a CH3OH. This is called alcohol. In this methane, the E is replaced by O to form a methanol. This methanol is called IUPAC name, and the common name of methanol is methyl alcohol. Here in this common name, alkyl group is followed by alcohol. Here methyl group is followed by alcohol. The name is called methyl alcohol. This methyl alcohol name is called common name of methanol. The next one is CH3. This is called ethane. In this ethane compound, one hydrogen atom is replaced by OH group to form CH3CH2OH. In this CH3CH2OH, the name ethane, E is replaced by O to form a ethanol. Ethanol is a IUPAC name. In this ethanol, the common name is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. The ethanol is a IUPAC name and ethyl alcohol is common name. Ethyl group is followed by alcohol. That's why the name is called ethyl alcohol or common name. Clear? This is the naming of alcohol. The next one is structure of alcohol. Here we are taking the methanol. The methanol molecular formula is CH3OH. The carbon having the 4 bonds, 3 hydrogen bonds, 1 oxygen bond. Okay, here the OH group is attached to a carbon with sigma bond. Okay, here the carbon oxygen bond is called sp3sp, carbon oxygen sigma bond, and oxygen hydrogen bond is called sp3s, oxygen hydrogen sigma bond. Here oxygen having 2 lone pair of electrons. Here why we are saying the sp3s carbon oxygen sigma bond? Because here the carbon having sp3 hybridization, and oxygen also having sp3 hybridization. Here the carbon sp3 hybrid orbitals are overlapped to oxygen sp3 hybrid orbitals to form a sigma bond. The bond is called sp3 carbon oxygen sigma bond. Here the carbon oxygen bond distance is 142 picometers. The next one is here oxygen and hydrogen bond distance is 96 picometers. The bond is called sp3s oxygen hydrogen sigma bond. Here sp3s means the hydrogen having s orbitals and the oxygen having sp3 hybrid orbitals. These oxygen sp3 hybrid orbitals are overlapping to then hydrogen s orbitals, hybrid orbitals to form a sp3s oxygen hydrogen sigma bond. And this geometry of methanol is tetrahedral geometry. The tetrahedral geometry having angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. But here in this molecule having angle is the carbon oxygen hydrogen bond angle is 108.9 degrees, because here the angle will be decreased. The angle is decreased. The tetrahedral angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes, but this compound angle is 108.9 degrees. Here the bond angle is decreased because of the reason is here the oxygen having the lone pair of electrons. This lone pair of electron causes a repulsion to each atom, and then bond angle will be slightly less in the compared to tetrahedral bond angle. Here then the lone pairs are present in the oxygen, then the repulsions will be takes place, the slightly bond angle will be decreased compared to tetrahedral angle. This is the reason of this bond angle. The next one is preparation of alcohol. The alcohols are prepared from alkenes, from carbonyl compounds and grignard reagents also. First we are seeing the from alkenes by acid catalyzed hydration. In this reaction we are taking alkene. This alkene is reacts with the water molecule in the presence of acid catalyst to form a alcohol. Here the addition will be takes place. Here the water molecule addition will be takes place. That's why is called as hydration. Hydration means addition of water molecule. Here we are taking ethene. This ethene is reacts to the water in the presence of acid catalyst to form a ethanol. This ethene is a symmetrical alkene. And the next one we are taking CH3, CH double bond, CH2. This is called propene. This propene is reacts with the water molecule in the presence of acid catalyst to form a CH3, CHOH bond CH3. This is called propane 2-ol. In the case we are taking unsymmetrical alkene. The propane is a unsymmetrical alkenes. If we are taking the unsymmetrical alkenes, the addition reaction takes place in accordance with the Markovnikov rule. This is the preparation of alcohols from alkenes. The next one is from carbonyl compounds. The carbonyl compounds, the aldehydes and ketones reacts with the hydrogen H2 in the presence of catalyst nickel, platinum, palladium. Okay, then form a alcohol. Here we are taking aldehyde, that is RCHO. This RCHO reacts with the nickel, platinum, palladium catalyst in the presence of sodium and ethyl alcohol to form a primary alcohol. The next one we are taking the ketone RCOR prime plus H2 addition of hydrogen molecule in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borate to form a secondary alcohol. Here the lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borates are called as a strong reducing agents. The reducing means what? These are add the hydrogens to the particular compounds. Here hydrogen addition will be takes place easily. These are called as strong reducing agents. The next one is from Grignard reagent. Preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagents. Here we are taking formaldehyde. This formaldehyde is reacts with the alkyl magnesium halide to form a adduct. This adduct is reacts with the water molecule to form a primary alcohol, and elimination of magnesium hydroxy halides elimination will be takes place. Here aldehydes, normally we are taking aldehydes. Actually the aldehydes and ketones are reacts with the Grignard reagents to form a alcohol. But here the formaldehyde HCH double bond O plus RMgX. This formaldehyde is reacts with the alkyl magnesium halide. This alkyl magnesium halide is called Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent to form a adduct, that is RCH2O MgX. RCH2O MgX is called as adduct. This adduct is reacts with the H2O molecule, that is water molecule, then form a RCH2OH, that is primary alcohol, plus MgOHX formation will be takes place. Here this adduct formation will be takes place. We are adding water molecule, then form primary alcohol. Here hydration will be takes place in this reaction. Okay, here the aldehydes are ketones. Normally aldehydes and ketones reacts with the Grignard reagents to form a alcohol. In this reaction we are taking the formaldehyde. This formaldehyde is reacts with the alkyl magnesium halide to form a adduct. This adduct upon undergoes addition of water molecule to form a primary alcohol, and magnesium hydroxy halide elimination will be takes place. This is the preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. The next one is physical properties of alcohol. These physical properties of alcohol, the physical state of alcohol, these alcohols having the odor is very sharp smell. Alcohols having odor is very sharp smell. And the color of the alcohols, the color of the alcohol is, these alcohols are colorless liquids at room temperature. If the lower alcohols are having colorless liquid formation, but higher alcohols having colorless liquid, and then these are solids maybe. Okay, the next one, the solubility of alcohol. The alcohol, simple alcohols are soluble in water because has OH group. Simple alcohols are soluble in water because has OH group. And the next state of physical state of alcohol is, then C1 to C11 are liquid at a room temperature. C1 to C11. These are called as lower alcohols. These are called as lower alcohols. The lower alcohols are having liquid state at room temperature, but higher alcohols having liquid nature, maybe solid nature. Okay, the next one is high volatility. Then these alcohols are easily changed into a gas. These alcohols are easily changed into a gas. Then the boiling point of alcohols are, these alcohols having the low boiling point compared to water. Boiling point of alcohols are is low boiling point compared to water. This is the physical properties of alcohol. And the next one is chemical properties of alcohol. First we are seeing the oxidation. The oxidation means addition of oxygen molecule or oxygens. Okay, first we are taking the primary alcohol. The name of the primary alcohol is ethanol. That is CH3CH2OH. This ethanol is reacts with the chromic acid acetone in the presence of 35 degrees centigrade temperature to form a ethanoic acid. CH3COOH plus chromium ion elimination will be takes place. Okay, next one is we are taking the secondary alcohol. The secondary alcohol example is 2-butanol. This 2-butanol is reacts with the chromic acid acetone in the presence of 35 degrees centigrade temperature to form a 2-butanone. 2-butanone and chromium ion elimination will be takes place. The tertiary alcohol, we are taking the tertiary alcohol 2-methyl-2-propanol. This reacts with the chromic acid. This 2-methyl-2-propanol is reacts with the chromic acid, the acetone in the presence of 35 degrees temperature. There is no reaction here. The reaction will not takes place. The reaction will not takes place. But the tertiary alcohols does not undergo oxidation, but in the presence of strong acidified KMnO4 are present at even temperature, then the reaction will be takes place. In this oxidation, the carbon double bond oxygen bond formation will be takes place, and the OH bond and carbon hydrogen bond breakage will be takes place. In this reaction, what happened? Carbon hydrogen bond and oxygen hydrogen bond cleavage will be takes place. Carbon double bond O bond formation will be takes place. This is the oxidation of alcohols. Here oxidation will be takes place. Then these are form acids and ketones formation will be takes place. Here in this oxidation, alcohols involves in the loss of H2 molecule from an alcohol molecule. Okay, here what happened? Normally here H2 molecule elimination will be takes place. That's why this reaction is called dehydrogenation. Okay, dehydrogenation means what? Elimination of hydrogen molecule. Here we are seeing the CH3CH2OH is present. If the CH3 and carbon is CH3CH2OH ethanol, this ethanol is converted to ethanoic acid. In this ethanoic acid, the 2 hydrogen atoms eliminated or removal. That's why this is called dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation means elimination of hydrogens. The next one is dehydration. The dehydration means elimination of water molecule or removal of water molecule. In this dehydration process, we are taking the alcohols. These alcohols are to reacts with the acid catalyst in the presence of 180 degrees centigrade temperature to form a alkene. Okay, here for example first we are seeing alcohols. These first we are taking the ethanol. This ethanol is reacts with the acid catalyst in the presence of 180 degrees centigrade temperature to form a alkene and eliminated of H2O molecule. Here water molecule elimination will be takes place. That's why this reaction is called dehydration. D means removal, hydration means water. Then water removal. The water removal will be takes place to form a alkenes. Okay. The next one, this next reaction is alcohols are reacts with the acidic catalyst in the presence of 140 degrees centigrade temperatures to form a ether by the elimination of water molecule. Here in these two reactions, normally alcohols are same, the acidic catalyst is same, but the temperature will be changed. The temperature will be changed. First, we are taking the 180 degrees centigrade temperature. The alcohols are converted to the alkenes. In the second reactions, we are taking 140 degrees centigrade temperature. Then alcohols are converted to the ethers. Okay, this is the dehydration. This is the chemical properties of alcohols. And the next one is halogenation. Halogenation. Okay, this is called Lucas test also. This alcohols, first we are taking the tertiary alcohols. This tertiary alcohol is a clear homogeneous solution. It is a clear homogeneous solution. This tertiary alcohol is reacts with the hydrochloric acid in the presence of ZnCl2, that is zinc chloride, at 25 degrees centigrade temperature to form a tertiary alkyl halides by the elimination of water molecule. Here halogenation means addition of halogens. Addition of halogens. Okay. Here alcohols, the OH group eliminated means OH group eliminated and halogen group is added. Then here the which is eliminated, the removal water molecule elimination will be takes place, and it is also called as dehydration process. Dehydration process. First we are seeing the tertiary alcohol. This tertiary alcohol reacts with the hydrochloric acid in the presence of zinc chloride at 25 degrees centigrade temperature to form a tertiary halides. It is the tertiary halide formation will be takes place immediately. Immediate formation will be takes place. In the secondary alcohols we are taking, it is also clear homogeneous solution and reacts with the hydrochloric acid. Then in the presence of zinc chloride at 25 degrees centigrade temperatures to form a secondary alcohols. Secondary halogens. Secondary halogens will be secondary chlorides formation or secondary halides formation will be takes place. This halides formation will be takes place after 50 minutes. After 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the plus elimination of water molecule. The primary alcohols we are taking, this is also clear homogeneous solution. This also reacts with the HCl in the presence of ZnCl2 at 25 degrees centigrade temperature. But here there is no reaction will takes place. Here there is no reaction. The reaction will not take place. This is a concept. Here normally these reactions will not. This primary alcohol does not react with the hydrochloric acid halogens at room temperature. There is no reaction. Here Lucas tests used to differentiate in tertiary, secondary and primary alcohols. The alcohol's reactivities, tertiary is more reactive than secondary and secondary is more reactive than primary. Here the tertiary, secondary alcohols produced the halides, but the primary alcohols does not produce alcohols. Here there is no reaction will be takes place, but these are not produced halides at room temperature. The next one is esterification. In this esterification, here the reaction between alcohols and carboxylic acids to form a esters and waters, water. Okay, here water is eliminated. This is called normally dehydration. Here water elimination means dehydration. First we are taking the carboxylic acid. This carboxylic acid is reacts with the alcohol in the presence of the acid catalyst to form a ester, that is RC double bond OR plus H2O formation will be takes place. Here carboxylic acid formula is RC double bond OH plus HOR. Here carboxylic acid is reacts with the alcohol in the presence of acid catalyst to form a ester. Here the carboxylic acid having the OH group, this OH is eliminated and alcohol hydrogen, the proton elimination will be takes place to form a H2O. The water molecule elimination will be takes place to form a esters. Okay, for example, if you are seeing the ethanol, this ethanol is reacts with the ethanoic acid in the presence of acid catalyst to form a ethyl ethanoate by the elimination of water molecule. Here we are taking alcohol and acid. The alcohol and acid reaction will be takes place to form a ester formation will be takes place. Here ethanol is reacts with the ethanoic acid in the presence of the acid catalyst to form a ethyl ethanoate by the elimination of water molecule. And the next one is methanol. This methanol is reacts with the benzoic acid in the presence of acid catalyst to form a methyl benzoate. Here the catalyst is H plus. This is called acid catalyst. This is the esterification reaction. These are the chemical properties of alcohols. And the next one is use of alcohols. These alcohols are used as a beverage. Beverage means alcohols can be used as a beverage. Beverage means the preparation of beer and wine purpose we are using these alcohols. Then the beer and wine purpose we are using ethanol only. The alcohols are used as a fuel. Some alcohol, mainly ethanol and methanol, can be used as an alcohol fuels. Okay, ethanol and methanol can be used as a alcohol fuels, and the mixture of a petrol with 10 to 20% ethanol gas oil. Okay, in the petrol, the 10 to 20% presence in the ethanol only. The methanol is used as a fuel for racing car. Methanol is used as a fuel for racing cars. In the racing cars, we are using the methanol for fuel. The next one is these alcohols are used as a source of medical products. Ethanol as a solvents in the preparation of cough syrups. Cough syrup preparations, we are using the ethanol. And the propanol 2-ol as a rubbing alcohol. Bring down high fever. And these alcohols are used as a source of chemicals. As a raw material in the manufacture of polymers, fibers, explosives and plastics purpose we are using these alcohols. And ethanol is used as a ethanoic acid. In the vinegar formation we are using the alcohols. The next one, alcohols used as a solvents. These are used as a solvents. Ethanol can be used as solvent in perfumes, cosmetics, thinners, for liqueurs, varnishes and vegetables essences such as a vanilla. And alcohols are used as a antiseptic. Ethanol can be used as an antiseptic to disinfect the skin before injection or given often along with the iodine. This is about alcohols, and thank you one and all.